Identify sales opportunities with PSXLink. Sales opportunities can be quickly recognized within PSXLink in the active client screen, as well as activity reports and prospects. These features allow a user to filter down performance data over a specific time frame where many different data points can be reviewed by account. This allows users to recognize opportunities specific to their query. For example, this is a listing of clients who have purchased from a dealer within the last year. Of these accounts, we want to know who has not purchased within the last 6 months. Now we have narrowed the list down. Filters can continuously be applied to specific points of interest. Once filtering is complete, a listing can easily be emailed or exported to Microsoft Excel right out of PSXLink.